usually apply to solve questions of this form. But in this function, we don't need to apply that formula. We can just manipulate the equation and solve. So follow me carefully as I explain to you how to integrate a function of this form. For this type of functions, when you see that two functions are multiplying like this and there is a power on one, which is usually on the right side, this side, what we need to do is to represent that function with a variable. So to be able to do this, what we need to do is to represent the function carrying the power with a variable. Remember, we don't touch the power, but we touch the function. Okay, so I will not touch this one. I will only work on this one when I need it. So we will represent sine x with a variable u. So we say that let u be equal to sine what? X. And what do I do? Let us differentiate this function. So we have du out of the x is giving us, what is the differential of sine x? Cos x. Okay, I'll teach you two ways that you can solve this. The first thing I will do is that because I have the x here in the function, let me make the x here the subject. When I cross multiply, I have du giving me cos x dx. Okay, the next thing I'll do is that I'll divide both sides by cos x to make this stand alone. I have here cos x, here cos x. You don't need to do this, okay? You don't need to write this. So therefore, dx is giving me du over cos x, which is the same as 1 over cos x times du. Now when I reach here, wherever I see the x, I'll substitute this value. Now let's go back and rewrite the equation. When we rewrite this, we are going to get integral of cos x sine 4x dx should give us what? Integral of cos x. And watch, the sign here stands for u. So wherever I see sine x, I'll put u times u to the power 4 because there was 4 here, okay, times dx, but dx equal to whatever we have here. So we have 1 over cos x times du. Do you understand? So now from here, this can now cancel this. It becomes easy. Now I have integral of u to the power 4 times du. When I integrate this u, what do I have? I have u to the power 5 over 5. When I do that, the integral of this is going to give us u 4 plus 1 divided 4 plus 1 plus k, constant of integration. Now, you don't need to write this step. So you were supposed to go straight to u to the power 5, all divided 5, plus k. But u equals sine x from here. So therefore, the integral of cos x sine 4x dx is giving us what? Now watch something. I'm going to factorize this 5 out, plus the 1 here at the numerator. So I'm getting 1 over 5, u, which represents this, sine x 5 plus k. And this is my final answer. Now watch. Another way you can do this without cancelling the cos here is that when we get here, watch something. We said that let u be equal to sine x. So we've got u equals what? Sine x. We differentiate the u dx. The result gives us what? Cos x. Now, when you cross multiply, make du the subject instead of the x. So du is giving us cos x times dx. Okay, now let's rewrite this function. When I rewrite the function, I have integral of cos x sine 4x dx. Now watch carefully. This is the same as the integral. I'll write the sine function first. Sine 4x. Then I'll write this side cos x dx. Are you here with me? Now this side cos x dx is the same as what we have here, because du is equal to cos x dx. So the equation becomes integral of sine 4x du. But sine x represents what? U. So this is the same as integral of u to the power 4 du. So now when we solve this, when we integrate this, what are we getting? We have u 5 over 5 plus k, which is what we got here, which is the same as 1 over 5 u 5 plus k. When we substitute the result, we have 1 out of 5 sine 5x plus what? K. And this is your final answer. You can choose which one you want. Either you make the x the subject, it will cancel out, you get your answer. Or you make du the subject, you replace it here, and you continue from where we ended to complete the calculation. So this is all for this one. The name is Daniel, and please, this is Twitter thing. You can subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one.